How's it going, guys? Carl here, and today we're going to be showing you how to create a donut chart using Power BI visuals. First things first, we're going to go over here to the visuals and we're going to select the donut chart. Now that we have the donut chart selected, we're just going to move it right here, and we're going to start building out this donut chart. We're going to minimize this, and we see we have a legend, values, and details. Legend and details is basically the same thing, so we'll just go ahead and start to add our values, which we'll just say sales, and then next thing we'll do is just add the legend, which is the same thing as details, and we'll just add the region. And now we see we get something that is looking like a donut chart. All right, so from here we're going to go ahead and format this visual. So we'll just get rid of this and go to format, and first things first, we got size and style. We're going to just add on a border and a shadow, and then we can minimize the rest of this. And then we can go to our legend. Our legend is on. We can have our legend right here, or we can change our legend to another spot. Totally up to you. Or you can completely turn your legend off. Doesn't make a difference. We have our slices here. You can change the color of your slices if you want. So I'll go ahead and change this to that. Excuse the notifications from my text messages. After our slices, we can go to our detail labels, which is on. So we have a few positions here: outside, inside, prefer outside or inside. We're going to go ahead and change this to the category and data value. So now we have our regions as well as our data values. And we're going to go down here to values, and let's just go ahead and change this to that. And then I'm going to change my font to black. Change my display units to none so we can see the actual dollar amount. And then we'll come down here to rotation, and here you can see you can rotate this on this axis if you want to do that. And last but not least, I skipped this, but if you want to go change your title and get rid of that sum of and say sales by region, you can do that there, as well as change that font size. You can also give it a background color if that's what you so choose, and you can change your horizontal alignment as well as your subtitle heading, your divider, and spacing. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you create a donut chart in Power BI. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.